Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. Today, we're going to be smoking some Mississippi pulled pork. Follow along till the end of the video so you can see the finished product. Alright, so we're going to start off with our Sasquatch SPG rub, simple salt, pepper, garlic, equal parts. We're just going to do a nice liberal coating all over this pork loin. Always want to make sure you get even the ends on your pork loin. Make sure you get all sides covered in that delicious SPG. Alright, we have this amazing looking pork loin getting ready to go into our Dynaglow vertical offset charcoal smoker. It's sitting at 275 degrees. We're going to leave it in there until the color on it is just looking perfect, and then we're going to wrap it up, and then we'll show you what's next. Alright, we brought this pork in. It was sitting at about 160 degrees. We're going to throw some pork gravy onto it. Open that package up. Sprinkle the whole packet on top of our pork loin just to get that nice, delicious, savory flavor in there. Next up, we're going to open up this little packet of ranch style seasoning. We're going to do the same thing, throw that whole packet in there, add that delicious flavor. Now you know it isn't barbecue if there isn't butter involved. So we're going to throw some butter in here so that way it moistens up that mix, the pork gravy and the ranch mix. It'll be delicious. Last but not least, we're going to add in our porcini peppers. These bad boys are going to add just a little bit of heat. Not too much, but just enough to give it a little bit of a kick. We're going to just place a few all along the pork loin and on the inside of the wrap. That way those flavors will mix in all together, come out being delicious. Finally, we're going to take our tin foil, wrap this pork loin up like a nice present. Can't wait to open this one when it's done. Let me tell you what, we're going to throw this wrapped up pork loin back in the smoker at 275 degrees until the internal temperature hits about 205. Anticipation is over. It's reached 205 degrees internal temperature. It's probe tender. Let's get a look at this amazing, delicious pork loin that is now pulled pork. Man, I wish you guys were here to see this. It is juicy. It smells delicious. And we're going to pull this thing apart in just 1 second. Just you wait. Trust me on that. Cannot wait to get a taste of this one. Ooh, baby. Wow, let me tell you what, this thing just falls apart. Look at these beautiful strands of that money muscle. It's looking amazing. It just pulls so easy. It's effortless. Look at it. Beautiful long strands. Let's get this thing pulled right apart. Alright, it's all pulled apart. We're just mixing in those juices back into that meat. Wow. It is amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell and taste this. Whew. Just you wait till you make it yourself. You won't regret this recipe. Look at that ball of pulled pork. Man, I'm going to get me some of that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for next week to see what we do. Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, stay up to date with everything we do each week. Woo! That's good.